Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can insert a footnote to your text documents on LibreOffice Writer. For example, if you're working on an academic text. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your document on LibreOffice Writer. And next, click into your document here. We would like to place the footnote, for example, at the end of a word or inside the text here. And what you want to do is click into insert here at the top. And from there, what you want to do is navigate to footnote and endnote here and select footnote from that drop down menu. Now, as you can see, there's also the insert footnote button here at the top, so you can use that one as well. And that is going to add a footnote here to your text, as well as here the footer where you can position the source, for example, for the given footnote. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.